Good evening, everyone. I'm Rosa, Baldevarona. I'm the director of Iced Coffee. Iced Coffee is actually our entry for Quisumbing-Escandor Film Festival for Health. And we are one of the finalists that was shown last February 2018. And originally, it was my sister who encouraged me to join for the film festival. And I told her what topic could I discuss that you think a little audience would have known about it? Because I knew that most of the filmmakers would discuss about depression and other common mental issues, and then she told me, because she was a student in medicine that time, in 2017, she told me that why won't you discuss about Battered Wife Syndrome? So Battered Wife Syndrome, I learned about it. I searched in the internet, I read the book on psychiatrists. Then I also asked, I had interviews with the Department of Health, Women's Desk, and the DSWD, and came up with the Iced Coffee. So it's my stand to encourage and empower people in a relationship to know when is the right time to get out in a relationship. Maliit lang yung nakakaalam ng kondisyon ng Battered Wife Syndrome. Akala natin normal na nag-aaway yung couples, and Battered Wife Syndrome, hindi lang yan para sa mag-asawa. Kahit girlfriend and boyfriend, they live in one roof, or girlfriend and boyfriend having, in a relationship na merong number one, di ba? Kanina, there's tension. So mag-aaway kayo. Number two, stage 2, may acute battering. Battering comes physical abuse, verbal abuse, worst, sexual abuse. Third stage would be the loving stage. Ma-reconnect. I'm really sorry about it. I just made a mistake. Then, forgive ng isa, and the cycle goes on. Pag naging tatlo na yan, at yung na-abuse, kung ano naman ang nangyari at mag-stick sa kanya more than 6 months, 1 year, hindi, wala siyang kasalanan. Kasalanan ko kaya sinaktan niya ako kasi masyado akong burara. Kaya niya ako nirip kasi naka-short-shorts ako at palagi ako naka-sleeveless. Masyado akong pa-sexy, masyado akong clingy sa kanya. So I deserve na nabusuhin niya ako sexually. Hindi, kasi naman, sabi niya sa akin, uwi na ako ng bahay. Matigas yung ulo ko hindi ako umuwi. Ngayon, inabuso niya ako, pinagmumura-mura niya ako sa harap ng mga kaibigan ko. Okay din kasi kasalanan ko naman. Yun yung Battered Wife Syndrome. We think that it's our fault. Well, in fact, it's not your fault. You should know when to stand and when to say, no, it's enough. So this is our stand with my group, with my cast and crew. They helped me pull this off, and at least there are already more people aware of what we call Battered Wife Syndrome. Sa book, earlier, Doc Inocencio was here, and sa book ng mga psychologists, hindi siya nakasama yung Battered Wife Syndrome, but it's under the post-traumatic stress disorder. No, so doon siya papasok, pero as a major mental issue, hindi siya. So kaya maliit lang yung nakakaalam kasi akala nila normal lang yun. Away tayo, away bati, yun pala, iba na yun. It's already a mental issue.